there, business owners, manufacturers, e-commerce pros, and movers. Welcome to Lumina Packaging, your premier source for top-tier stock packing, shipping, mailing, fulfillment, and warehouse supplies. At LuminaPackaging.com, we've got it all. Standard size shipping supply to specialty and hard-to-find items tailored to your unique needs. Our stock-sized corrugated shipping boxes are built tough, versatile, and ready for anything, shipping, moving, or storage. Need bags? We've got you covered. Our poly bags are durable, perfect for parts packaging, box lining, or bulk goods. For that professional edge, our folding cartons, padded and corrugated mailers are sleek and ideal for retail, subscriptions, or e-commerce. Shipping essentials? Our high-quality shipping labels stick strong and look sharp, while our carton sealing tapes, clear, reinforced, or custom-printed messages lock packages tight, leaving a lasting impression. For heavy-duty needs, we offer everything from large bulk bins to complete plastic and steel strapping systems to secure even the toughest loads. Protect fragile items with our cushioning materials, bubble wrap, foam inserts, air pillows, and more. Moving or storing, our heavy-duty boxes and protective covers make transitions seamless, while our warehouse carts and tools keep your team productive, operating like a well-oiled machine. Why choose Lumina? We're all about quality and sustainability, saving you time and reducing environmental impact. Visit us online at LuminaPackaging.com. Our website is a breeze to navigate, packed with options and specialty packaging products. From startups to logistics pros, Lumina simplifies your packaging process. We understand every business is unique. Our product is here to meet the demands of any industry. Explore our online catalog for standard-size packaging options. We're not just about supplies, we're about building long-lasting partnerships, delivering quality and service that goes above and beyond. From corrugated boxes to stretch film, padded mailers to strapping tools, Lumina Packaging is your trusted partner in delivering excellence, one shipment at a time. Let us help you create packaging that protects your products and elevates your brand. Ready to pack like a pro? Visit LuminaPackaging.com today to shop our full line of stock packing, shipping, mailing, and warehouse supplies. Order now and discover why Lumina Packaging in the USA is the name businesses trust. Your perfect package starts here. Lumina Packaging. Pack smart, ship strong. Contact us today. With Lumina Packaging, you're not just choosing products, you're selecting a partner committed to excellence in packaging. Together, we ensure your packaging needs are met with quality materials and exceptional service that makes a difference. At Lumina Packaging, we prioritize not only your satisfaction, but also the integrity and reliability of our supplies for every shipment. Our dedicated team is always here to assist, ensuring you find the perfect packaging solutions tailored to your business needs. Whether you're a small business or an established enterprise, our products meet the demands of any industry. Explore our online catalog and discover how Lumina Packaging can enhance your operations and support your unique requirements. Our dedicated team is here to assist, solving problems and ensuring you find the perfect packaging solutions. From corrugated boxes to stretch film, padded mailers to strapping tools, Lumina Packaging is your trusted partner in delivering excellence. Let us help you create packaging that protects your products and elevates your brand, ensuring your business stands out. Ready to pack like a pro? Visit LuminaPackaging.com today to discover our full line of stock packing, shipping, mailing, and warehouse supplies. Your perfect package starts here. Order now and experience why businesses trust Lumina Packaging in the USA. With Lumina Packaging, you're not just choosing products, you're partnering with a brand dedicated to excellence and sustainability. We prioritize not only your satisfaction, but also the integrity and reliability of our supplies for every shipment. At Lumina Packaging, our mission is to provide you with packaging solutions that simplify your process and enhance your operations. Join the many businesses that have transformed their packaging experience with Lumina, where quality meets efficiency. Our commitment to quality ensures that your packaging solutions are not just functional, but also enhance your brand's visibility and reputation. Experience the difference with Lumina Packaging, where we believe in building relationships that last and delivering products that exceed expectations. Our dedicated team is here to assist, providing insights and solutions that cater specifically to your unique business needs. satisfaction is our priority. Our knowledgeable staff is here to guide you every step of the way.